to VARINDIA News Hour. Hackers run token scams to rug pull money. Checkpoint research shows how scammers misconfigure smart contracts to create fraudulent tokens. The report details the method scammers are currently using to rug pull money from people and provides examples of smart contract misconfigurations that can lead to money heists. Last October, Checkpoint Research identified threat of crypto wallets on OpenSea, the world's largest NFT marketplace. And last November, it revealed that hackers were using search engine phishing campaigns to steal $500,000 in a matter of days. In a new report, Checkpoint Research exposes how hackers are creating malicious tokens to steal money. Some tokens contain a 99% buy fee, which will steal all your money at the buying phase. Some of the tokens don't allow the buyer to resell and only the owner may sell. Some tokens contain a 99% sell fee, which will steal all your money at the selling phase. Some allow the owner to create more coins in his wallet and sell them. To create fraudulent tokens, hackers misconfigured smart contracts. Smart contracts are programs stored on a blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met. The report outlines the steps that hackers take advantage of smart contracts. That is, number one, leverage scam services. That is, hackers are usually using scam services to create the contract for them, or they copy an already known scam contract and modify the token name and symbol and some of the function names as well if they are really sophisticated. Number two, manipulate functions. That means then they will manipulate the functions with the money transfer. They will prevent you from selling or increase the fee amount and more. Most of the manipulations will be where money is being transferred. Number three, create hype via social media. That means then they will open social channels such as Twitter, Discord, Telegram without revealing their identity or using fake identity of other people, and they will start hyping the project in order to people to start buying. Number four, rug and pull the money. That is, after they reach the amount of money they want, they will pull all the money from the contract and delete all the social media channels. Number five, skip time locks. You usually won't see those tokens lock a large amount of money in the contract pool or even add time lock to the contract. Time locks are mostly used to delay administrative actions and are generally considered a strong indicator that a project is legitimate. The implication is that crypto users will continue to fall into these traps and will lose their money. It also alerts the crypto community that scammers are indeed creating fraudulent tokens to steal funds. To avoid scam coins, the research report recommends crypto users to diversify their wallets, ignore ads, and test their transactions. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Tata Group to take over Air India this week. Air India will likely be handed over to the Tata Group on January 27th, with the disinvestment process reaching the final stages. The airline's balance sheet was finalized and shared with the conglomerate, and the company is expected to review it soon, following which the transfer will be made. The Tata Group is likely to operate three airlines, that is Air India Express and Vistara. Teles Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Sons Private Limited, last year won the bid to acquire 100% equity shareholding of Government of India in Air India, along with equity shareholding of Air India in the AIXL and Air India SATS Airport Services Private Limited. RBI penalizes 8 cooperative banks for violating loan and KYC norms. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed monetary penalties on 8 cooperative banks, including the Varacha Cooperative Bank Limited, Jammu Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Mogavira Cooperative Bank Limited, Vasai Janata Sahakari Bank, among others, for deficiencies in their regulatory compliances. In most cases, the violations pertain to giving loans and advances to directors or related parties, overlooking Know Your Customers norms and lending exposure guidelines. If violations continue, the central bank takes even stronger measures to safeguard the interest of depositors. Swiggy raises $700 million at $10.7 billion valuation. Food tech platform Swiggy has raised $700 million in a fund round led by Invesco, valuing the company at $10.7 billion. With the latest fundraise, Swiggy's valuation has overtaken Zomato's current market cap. Swiggy has also emerged as the second most valuable privately held startup after educational technology firm Byju's. The fundraise will enable it to further accelerate growth on the core platform and make meaningful investments to grow its quick delivery business in Instamart, adding that it would further strengthen investment in the broader ecosystem. ED arrests Karvy Chairman and MD for money laundering. The Enforcement Directorate authorities arrested Commander Karvy Chairman and Managing Director of Hyderabad-based Karvy Stock Broking Limited in an alleged money laundering and funds diversion running into several hundreds of crores of rupees. The ED had booked a case under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act based on FIRs registered by Central Crime Station, Hyderabad. A police investigation has revealed that Karvy committed fraud in the name of investing in the stock market. ED found that Karvy had diverted investors' shares to his accounts, mortgaged them and obtained bank loans. Reliance Industries Limited invests Rs 7,600 crores in acquisitions for strengthening retail arm. Reliance Industries Limited has spent more than Rs 7,600 crores over the past 9 months of this fiscal towards investing in and acquiring assets to strengthen its retail business. Last quarter, RIL's retail arm, Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, acquired a 52% equity stake in Ritika Private Limited that owns Ritukumar, label Ritukumar, RI Ritukumar, RK and Ritukumar Home and Living. Reliance Retail reported a 23.4% year-on-year growth in its consolidated net profit at Rs 2,259 crores for the October to December quarter of FY22. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.